Rogers Ignite often uses Comcast-branded Xfinity modems for internet service. Rebooting or power cycling resolves many connectivity issues by clearing the modem's cache and refreshing its firmware. It's like restarting a computer. As of 2025, the Rogers and Xfinity apps include one-click reboot options, and the modem's admin page may offer AI-assisted diagnostics that prompt reboots. There are three main ways to reboot your modem: physical button, mobile app, and admin page. Be careful not to reboot the modem too much, as the hardware might wear out. Here are the step-by-step methods to reboot your Rogers Xfinity modem: button, app, and admin page. For the button method, locate the power button on the back of the modem. Hold it for 5 seconds to power off. Wait 30 seconds, then press it again to reboot. For the app method, in the Rogers app, go to Devices, select your modem, and tap Restart Device. The Xfinity app follows a similar path. For the admin page method, connect to the modem's Wi-Fi, open a browser, and enter the IP address, usually 10.0.1. Log in, then navigate to Advanced and reboot or restart. During the 2024 Toronto outage, physical button reboots proved most reliable. So remember, the physical option is a great backup plan.